Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by grabbing a precise Google Maps link. Open Maps, find the place or drop a pin, then tap Share and Copy link. You want a stable URL? A place link is easiest, coordinates are more precise. Once you have the link, inspect it. Make sure it opens the exact view you expect with the correct zoom. This avoids wrong destinations later. Now keep that link ready. You will convert it to a QR in the next steps. Now you convert the Maps link into a QR code. Open a trusted QR generator, paste the copied URL, and choose a static QR output so the link won't change. Pick a size suitable for print and select error correction level M or Q so small damage won't break the code. Once generated, preview the code and download it as PNG or SVG for clarity. Make sure the contrast is high, dark. Finish by placing the QR into your final layout and testing thoroughly. You should keep it at least 2 by 2 inches for print and allow clear, quiet space around it. Scan with several phones and camera apps to confirm the code opens Google Maps at the intended spot. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Increase the QR size, improve contrast, or regenerate using a higher error correction level. Once all tests pass, export your file and distribute with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.